Today I'm making Cajun cowboy butter ribeye steaks. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this cowboy butter steak. Let me tell you, it was delicious. Alright guys, today I'm going to prepare you guys the perfectly cooked steak on the Blackstone using this Cajun cowboy butter that I made. Stick around to the end. This thing's going to turn out delicious. It's very easy. Anyone can prepare this steak. It's a ribeye steak from Trader Joe's. Let's go! Alright guys, first things first, let's start off making this cowboy butter. Get yourself some chives, chop it up very finely, get your sharpest knife out, and on your left you'll see all the ingredients. Very simple. I shortened it a little bit because I wanted to make it simple. So get yourself a bowl. I use this brand butter. This is the one that we always buy. The wife buys it and I like it. It's already salted, so I didn't add salt. Get yourself some paprika and do 1 tablespoon. Then get yourself some cayenne pepper and throw 1 tablespoon of that. Then get yourself some minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you want. I use minced. Get yourself some black pepper as well, 1 tablespoon. And notice how I do tablespoons. It's just very easy to measure that way. And this is a tip. Use your spoon to chop up that butter first, because if you don't, it's going to be a little bit harder. But then use your hand. Pretend this is like Play-Doh. Have some fun. You know, start mashing it up. Get yourself some saran wrap and go ahead and spin this up on both ends and refrigerate this. I actually ended up putting this in the freezer for about 20 minutes and I took it back out just so it can get hardened, but then I put it back in the fridge. This is a perfect consistency that you want. And next, we're gonna go ahead and open up our steaks. So I bought these at Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's meats. They're always high quality. So this is ribeye steaks, and I'm going to go ahead and put some olive oil on both of these steaks. I like how the salt and pepper sticks to it better. You can do it a different way. This is how I like to do it. But salt and pepper on the steak, that's all you're going to need, guys. Look, a good quality piece of meat, all you need is salt and pepper. You know, my mom always told me this, and it still rings true today. Salt and pepper, if it's a quality piece, honestly, can never go wrong. All right, and that's the same thing goes with chicken, any kind of pork, but just for simplicity, let's just use salt and pepper, okay? Go ahead and get your Blackstone very hot and put some oil down. I'm cooking some other food. I'm not gonna really talk about that, but I'm just gonna talk about the steaks here. All right, and once it's on high heat, you guys, this thing's gonna cook pretty quickly, so make sure you check that temperature about every 5 minutes in the beginning. All right, these steaks, honestly, we're trying to get to 130 to 135. So we're gonna reach that temperature in about 10 minutes. So make sure you keep checking this temperature. So this first check, I'm gonna check it. And it was about 84, I believe. Yeah, 84 degrees. And internally, that's not where we want it yet. So for me, I like my steak at 130, 133. That's my prime temperature, okay? My wife likes it well done, so I kept hers on there, which I don't like anything well done when it comes to beef. All right, so we're pretty much ready to go here, guys. 133, it's time to get going. We're gonna take this steak off and let it rest. And meanwhile, let's get that cowboy butter, cut a little slice off the saran wrap, make sure no saran wrap is on there, and cover it. This is what I do, and then with your knife, just kind of spread it out. Oh, look at this, baby. Dude, I was smelling it. I was just looking at it and it was just looking so tender. I honestly couldn't wait to try it. Can you see the pink in there, guys? Yeah, this is a perfectly cooked steak. For you guys that like it well done, sorry, this is how you cook steak, guys. All right, so look at the pinkness, all that butter drizzling down. This was just super delicious. Now, for the moment of truth, guys, let's go ahead and try this thing. All right, guys, so we're gonna try this ribeye steak with the cowboy butter. Give it a shot. That is so juicy, so delicious. You guys have to try this cowboy butter. Cajun cowboy butter, bro, let's go.